In a fast changing talent market, recruiting teams need more than a basic applicant tracking system. They need a flexible platform that can keep up with evolving workflows, candidate expectations, and compliance requirements. Avature ATS is a highly configurable, enterprise grade solution that goes beyond traditional tracking systems. It's designed not just to help you manage applicants, but to transform how you attract, engage, and hire top talent globally. Avature offers a powerful combination of ATS and CRM functionality, giving large and distributed teams the ability to personalize candidate journeys, build long term talent pools, and optimize every stage of the hiring funnel. Whether you're sourcing passive talent, coordinating multi stage interviews, or reporting on global hiring activity, Avature provides the tools to do it efficiently and at scale. In this video, we'll explore the platform's core features, demonstrate their practical use, and highlight how Avature helps HR and recruitment teams stay agile, compliant, and competitive in today's talent economy. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the customizable hiring workflows. Avature ATS stands out for its drag and drop workflow builder that lets you create hiring pipelines tailored to different job roles, teams, and regions. You can add automated emails, approval gates, feedback loops, and custom forms at every stage. Each step can be tracked and reported on, giving full visibility into hiring progress. This empowers recruiters and HR leaders to reflect their real world processes in the system, ensuring consistency while allowing flexibility for unique roles or compliance requirements. Another key feature is the advanced candidate search and segmentation. Avature's advanced search tools allow you to filter by resume keywords, tags, application history, and custom fields. You can use saved searches and create dynamic lists that update automatically when new candidates match your criteria. This dramatically cuts down the time spent sourcing by helping you pinpoint the right candidates instantly, even across large databases. Another key feature is the collaboration and interview management. Built-in tools enable seamless collaboration between recruiters, hiring managers, and interviewers. You can schedule interviews, track feedback in real time, and sync with calendars like Outlook or Google. This keeps the hiring team aligned, improves candidate experiences, and accelerates decision making across departments. Another key feature is the candidate relationship management. Avature doesn't just track applicants, it nurtures them. You can build segmented talent pools, run email campaigns, track engagement, and build long term pipelines for recurring roles or strategic hires. It's a full CRM layered on top of an ATS. This builds stronger relationships with passive candidates and reduces time to hire by having warm talent pools ready to activate when roles open. Another key feature is the compliance, security, and reporting tools. From GDPR and CCPA to EEOC and OFCCP, Avature provides built-in compliance tools, audit trails, and secure access management. Reporting dashboards allow you to track hiring metrics, diversity data, and source performance at both global and local levels. This keeps your recruiting data secure, audit ready, and compliant with international regulations without slowing down your hiring process. So, why is Avature ATS a great choice? Avature ATS is a top choice for enterprise organizations that need deep configurability, high performance, and seamless integration into broader HR ecosystems. Unlike rigid legacy systems, Avature is flexible by design, so you can customize it without waiting for vendor side changes, which is crucial for organizations that hire across regions, job families, or business units with unique requirements. In 2025, Avature continues to evolve with features that support AI enhanced sourcing, DEI reporting, and workflow automation. It also integrates with a wide range of HR and productivity tools like Workday, SAP SuccessFactors, LinkedIn, and Zoom, allowing teams to unify hiring with the broader employee life cycle. What also sets Avature apart is its white glove support and implementation team. Their experts work closely with your organization to ensure the platform reflects your processes perfectly, and they offer ongoing support to keep the system aligned as your hiring strategy evolves. That level of service, combined with unmatched flexibility, makes Avature a smart long term investment for global talent acquisition teams. So, for organizations looking to move beyond basic applicant tracking, Avature ATS offers a future proof end to end recruiting platform. It's designed for scale, built for personalization, and backed by tools that empower your team to hire faster, smarter, and more strategically. So, whether you're managing thousands of applications per month or nurturing niche candidate pipelines, Avature gives you the control and insight you need to make better hiring decisions. So, if you're ready to modernize your recruitment technology in 2025, Avature ATS is a leading solution worth serious consideration. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.